Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about constructor injection. So, how to set a bean property via constructor injection. I've written a simple code to explain that. So, let's see the bean. The bean is a Spring user. There are three properties. There are three properties for Spring user: username, age, and country. And I have a constructor with these three properties. So in the Spring Bean XML file, Spring configuration XML file, what we have to do is we have to create a bean definition with the constructor argument. So whenever we ask Spring to create this Spring user object or bean, Spring will inject these three properties properly, and it will give you the object. So the index means which argument it should insert. So this is 0th index, and this is first index, and this is the second index. Then what is the data type? Because this is just to avoid confusion to the Spring, we are explicitly saying that second argument should be integer, and third argument should be string, and first argument should be string, so that if there are multiple constructors, Spring will come to know which constructor should be called. So this is about bean definition. Then now I have given a breakpoint. Here. So whenever I call this method getBean, this bean constructor will be called and the value will be set, and Spring will give me the exact objects. So let's load this XML file and let's get this bean from the container. I'm going to start the debugging now. Let's see how exactly constructor injection works. So I'm starting the debugging now. I'm going to load it. Can you see this? Loading XML bean definition from the class path. So while loading, our Spring has called this Spring user constructor. So we got all these three values from the XML file. Now it has called the constructor. Now we are going to ask the container, can you give me the Spring user? So I'm going to get that object. If you see here, all those three attributes will be set. Yes, so we have got the Spring user properly from the container. So very important point is index. Index is it is used to denote to Spring which argument. So index 0, index 1, and index 2, and what are its data type. Yes, so this is how constructor injection works in Spring. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.